Hey everyone, and welcome to AI Creator Mastery. I made over $500 in just 7 days with a YouTube channel where I never, ever show my face. You heard that right, no expensive camera, no lights, no stressing about how you look on screen. Just pure content, a bit of strategy, and the power of artificial intelligence. In this video, I am going to break down the exact step-by-step process I used so you can do it too. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a blueprint for building a sustainable, profitable, and completely anonymous YouTube channel. So, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? It's pretty much what it sounds like. It's a channel where the creator, you, remains completely anonymous. Instead of seeing a person on screen, the content is delivered through animations, stock footage, screen recordings, or simple text slides. For a long time, creating these channels was a ton of work. You had to be a skilled animator, a video editor, or spend hours searching for the right footage. But now, with the incredible advancements in AI, the game has completely changed. You can now generate scripts, create voiceovers, and even produce visuals with just a few clicks. It's made the entire process faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before. This is the single biggest opportunity for new creators to enter the YouTube space right now. The absolute first step, and arguably the most important one, is choosing your niche. A niche is simply the specific topic your channel will be about. Picking the right niche is crucial because it determines your audience, your content, and most importantly, your potential earnings. You want to find a sweet spot between what you're interested in, what people are actively searching for, and what advertisers are willing to pay for. Let's look at some profitable examples. The meditation and relaxation niche is huge. People are always looking for guided meditations, calming music, or ambient sounds to help them sleep or focus. These videos are incredibly simple to make, often just a static image with audio, and they have high watch times. Another great area is tech tutorials. Think about how many times you've searched how to do something in a specific software. You can create screen-recorded tutorials for popular programs without ever showing your face. The key here is providing clear, concise value. History facts or did you know style channels are also fantastic. They tap into our natural curiosity. You can use AI to research interesting historical events and present them as short, engaging videos with text and stock images. The common thread here is that all these niches have what's called a high CPM or cost per mil. That's the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 views. Topics related to finance, technology, and health typically have the highest CPMs, meaning you earn more money for the same number of views. So do your research, find a topic that excites you, and make sure there's an audience and money in it. Once you have your niche, it's time for the fun part, creating the content using AI. This is where the magic really happens. The entire workflow can be broken down into 3 simple steps: script writing, voiceover, and visuals. Let's start with the script. You no longer need to be a professional writer to create compelling content. I use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate my video scripts. My process is simple. I'll give the AI a prompt like, write a 1,500-word YouTube script about the most mysterious archaeological discoveries. In an engaging and informative tone, within minutes, the AI will produce a well-structured script, complete with an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. Of course, you shouldn't just copy and paste it. The key is to use the AI-generated text as a solid first draft. I always read through it, tweak the language to sound more natural, add my own personal touch, and fact-check any important details. This combination of AI efficiency and human oversight is what creates top-quality content. Next up is the voiceover. A clear, professional voice is essential for keeping your audience engaged. In the past, you either had to record it yourself or hire a voice actor, which can be expensive and time-consuming. Today, AI text-to-speech technology is unbelievably good. Tools like Eleven Labs or Mirth AI can generate incredibly human-like voices from your script. You can choose from a huge library of voices, accents, and styles. For most faceless channels, a clear, neutral, and friendly voice works best. It's not about tricking people into thinking it's a real human. It's about providing a pleasant and easy-to-understand listening experience. You simply paste your edited script into the tool, select a voice, and it generates an audio file for you. You can even adjust the pacing and inflection to make it sound even more natural. The quality is so high now that for many types of content, it's practically indistinguishable from a human narrator. This step alone saves hours of work and hundreds of dollars. With your script and voiceover ready, the final piece of the puzzle is the visuals. For a faceless channel, you don't need complex Hollywood-level editing. Your goal is to create visuals that are clean, professional, and complement the voiceover. One of the easiest and most effective methods is using simple animated slides. You can use tools like Canva or even PowerPoint. I like to create a template for my videos to maintain a consistent brand look. Each slide might have a key point from the script presented as animated text, maybe with a relevant icon or a simple background. For example, if the script mentions ancient Rome, I'll have that text appear on screen along with an icon of the Colosseum. Another popular method is using stock footage. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, or paid services like Storyblocks offer millions of high-quality video clips you can use. So, while the voiceover talks about the ocean, you can show a beautiful shot of waves crashing. The process is simple. Listen to your voiceover track and add relevant slides or video clips on your video editing timeline to match what is being said. You can use a simple video editor like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, both of which have great free versions. This combination of voice, text, and simple visuals is more than enough to create a highly engaging video. Now that you know how to create the content, let's talk about setting up your channel for success and, of course, making money. Setting up a YouTube channel is free and straightforward. You just need a Google account. The important part is branding. Pick a memorable channel name related to your niche, like Zen Moments for a meditation channel or History Bites for a history channel. Create a simple, clean logo and channel banner using a tool like Canva. Your branding should instantly tell new visitors what your channel is about. Once your channel is set up and you start uploading your hour-generated videos, it's time to focus on monetization. The most well-known way to earn money on YouTube is through the YouTube Partner Program, which lets you run ads on your videos via AdSense. To qualify, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch time within 12 months. This might sound daunting, but with a consistent upload schedule and high-quality content in a popular niche, it's very achievable. But here's the secret: you don't have to wait for AdSense to start earning. The fastest way to monetize a new channel is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. For example, if you have a tech tutorial channel, you can become an affiliate for the software you're teaching. If you have a meditation channel, you can promote meditation cushions or wellness apps. You simply place your affiliate links in your video descriptions. It's a fantastic way to generate income from day one, even with a small audience. That $500 I made in the first week. A significant portion of it came from affiliate commissions, not ads. So, let's do a quick recap of the entire process. First, you select a profitable and interesting niche with a high CPM. Second, you use AI tools to generate your script, create a professional voiceover, and produce simple, clean visuals like animated text or stock footage. Third, you set up and brand your YouTube channel professionally. And finally, you start monetizing immediately with affiliate marketing while you work towards qualifying for the YouTube Partner Program and AdSense revenue. This is the exact blueprint that allows you to build a profitable, automated content machine on YouTube without ever needing to show your face. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the potential has never been higher. If you found this guide helpful and want to dive deeper into using AI to build and grow your online presence, make sure to subscribe to our iCreator Mastery. We post new videos every week with the latest tips, tools, and strategies to help you succeed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.